Hi, and welcome to the ultimate guide on how to ask for a LinkedIn recommendation. Now, you have to think of your LinkedIn profile as the perfect recipe for your career success. One missing ingredient, and it won't give your profile that attraction it needs. A good recipe draws people in with exciting ingredients, fun flavors, and you guessed it, good reviews. In this case, your skills, your experiences, and of course, your recommendations. So, where to begin? Who do you ask? How do you ask? Here are 4 easy steps on how to ask for a LinkedIn recommendation. Step 1. Talk about how much you enjoyed working with this person. Step 2. State how long you have worked together. Step 3. Ask them if they wouldn't mind highlighting a few of your best qualities. Step 4. Finally, state your gratitude and respect. See what I mean? Easy as pie. Recommendations help employers understand what a great asset you are to work with. So, let Super Purposes get you the job you finally deserve. Have a super day.